Imagine a winter that lasts a lifetime. Welcome to Uranus, the coldest planet in our solar system, where night endures for 42 Earth years. It may look like a calm greenish-blue marble, but Uranus hides a violent past. Its extreme axial tilt of 98 degrees means it rolls around the sun, leading to the most unusual seasons. A year on Uranus is equal to 84 Earth years. For half that time, one pole basks in sunlight, while the other sits in darkness, living a lifetime away from the sun. Voyager 2 flew by Uranus in 1986, presenting a plain and lifeless image. Uranus has the coldest temperatures at 224 degrees. Winds exceed 900 kilometers per hour, reshaping clouds and creating storms. This turmoil brings the planet's chaotic nature to life. Not only is it cold, but Uranus has a horrific smell, thanks to hydrogen sulfide in its atmosphere. Uranus also features dark, dusty rings different from Saturn's bright ones. It has 27 known moons, many named after Shakespeare's works. Miranda stands out with its chaotic and bizarre landscape, hinting at a violent history. It appears to have been shattered into pieces and clumsily glued back together. Titania, the largest moon, balances serenity and chaos, with its stunning valleys and ancient impacts. Uranus symbolizes chaos. Its moons may collide millions of years from now. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more about universe, where wonders are often veiled in darkness. For more incredible insights, like and subscribe.